Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Usha Mandal and you are going to see more of dentistry, gardening, lifestyle and also cooking videos on my channel. So do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Today's video is all about men's perfume under rupees 1000. All of the men's perfumes which I'm going to show you are really good. You can invest your money on them definitely. I have ranked them according to my preference, that is from number 5 to number 1, so that it will be easier for you to understand which is the best. So do watch the full video. On number 5 we have Skin by Titan, the 20 ml variant, and the variant which I'm talking of is Steel. It is black in color. The bottle, the 20 ml variant, costs rupees 595 rupees, which is quite okay, and you will get decent discounts on any online stores, that is for sure. This is a very masculine fragrance and very nice, and it has spicy notes, citrusy notes, strong smell. The bottle is same as that of any Skin by Titan of 20 ml, so it's same, only the color is black. The top notes of this perfume are a bit citrusy. It has bergamot, pink, grapefruit kind of things, citrusy, and the heart notes are kind of spicy. It has pink pepper which makes it a bit spicy, and also it has geranium. Geranium is a white flower if you know, so it is kind of a floral woody. And the base notes are a blend of some cedar wood, patchouli and some leather, and so it's very masculine and very strong. The base notes also have a hint of vanilla. The fragrance is ultra strong, so sometimes it might give you a bit of a headache if you are sensitive to strong smells, and some of you might not like this smell. I am just giving you this disclaimer, and that is the reason I put this on number 5. People who are into strong smells, they can definitely buy this, but it's not very liked by everyone here. So yes, the staying power, the longevity is very good. It stays for 7 to 8 hours on a hot summer day because it's very strong, and on winters it's going to stay on you for at least 12 hours, so that's very good. The people who like strong, masculine, spicy fragrances can definitely go for this, and otherwise if you are a bit sensitive to strong smells, then do not buy this. I'm just telling you straight away, do not buy this then. This is an EDP. So now let's move on to number 4. On number 4 we have the Park Avenue Harmony variant. The 50 ml of this product is going to cost you rupees 399, and a 100 ml of product, which is the full size product, is going to cost you rupees 699. So both of them are very much less than rupees 1000, and I have put this on number 4 because of its price mainly. It's super pocket friendly, and it actually does better than what you think. The top notes of this fragrance are citrusy, the heart notes are patchouli and lavender, and the base notes are musky. So overall, if you explain the smell, then the fragrance is very sweet, kind of not very feminine sweet, but kind of masculine sweet, because it has musk and lavender. The longevity of the staying of this perfume is okay. I mean, it's not very overwhelming, but considering the price, it's fine. I mean, it lasts for a decent 5 to 6 hours. So 5 to 6 hours on a perfume of this price range is very good. So you can definitely go for this because of the price, which is super pocket friendly. On number 3 we have another variant from Park Avenue. This is the Conquer version. This also costs same. The 50 ml version will cost you rupees 399, and the 100 ml version will cost you rupees 699. Now the packaging of these Park Avenue bottles are also very nice and classy. I mean, considering its price, it's really classy. And this perfume Conquer is surprisingly very good. And let me show you the bottle first. Very masculine kind of fragrance. The top notes are citrusy, fresh. The heart notes are spicy, and the base notes are woody vanilla. So you can understand it's woody, it's fresh, again it's spicy. So all the combinations are very well balanced. The fragrance is really awesome. I mean, if you wear this fragrance to your work, to your tuition, to your college, people are going to notice the smell, and it's really, you know, if you are away, the person is going to smell your perfume. This is such a smell. Prime point of this perfume is its staying power, or the longevity. The longevity is awesome. It is going to stay a good 24 hours on your apparel, on you, and on a hot summer day. And in winters it's going to linger on your apparel, that is for sure. So that was the staying power. And now if you have a field job, then this perfume is perfect for you. field jobs, like you're going too much out in the sun, any jobs like that. So that kind of job, people can definitely buy this perfume because this is going to stay on you for the whole day, and again it's going to stay on you when you go for that after work date also. So that's really good. You know, people who do not want to shell out 1000 rupees or 2000 rupees on good perfumes, on staying longevity good perfumes, then those people can definitely buy this perfume because this is a very good long stay perfume in this range. On number 2 we have Skin by Titan, again the raw version. So I will show you the bottle which is available with me right now. That is not the 20 ml version, that is a bigger version, but I am talking of the 20 ml version. The 20 ml version will cost you rupees 595, which is same as the previous one, the steel one which I told you. The packaging is same, the bottle is same, only the difference is its color. This has a frosty appearance like you see in the whole bigger bottle. Perfume is an absolute favorite from this Titan Skin range for men, I am sure. This perfume is made for summers. You know, even the bottle has this look of this foggy vaporized version. You know what this symbolizes? It actually symbolizes rain on a hot summer day. So this is made for summers and for climates like India. This has a very fresh with fizzy citrusy top note of bergamot, lemon, orange. So you can understand all of these are very fresh and fizzy. You can understand by what I mean to say fizzy, it's very fresh. The heart notes are geranium. The geranium are white flowers, and the base notes are more woody. It has patchouli, it has woody fragrance. A very kind of office wear kind of perfume. You know, you can wear it to office. It will just make you fresh. It's going to give you that fresh splash. It's going to last you for 12 to 16 hours on a hot summer day. But yes, this is not a winter perfume, that I must say. You won't feel right if you wear it in winters. Like the steel one was more of a winter kind of a perfume, and this is a summer perfume, totally a summer perfume, and it's made for hot, humid, summery countries like India and beaches. You can wear it to beaches or on a hot summer day outing. So it's kind of that perfume, and also you can wear it to offices. So it's kind of that formal and casual balance which it has. It's really nice. So you can understand it's on number 2. So it's obviously awesome. So on number 1, I have a very classic perfume. We have the Jovan Orange Musk, and it's the 88 ml version, costing you rupees 749 rupees. So as you can understand by the name, it's really a classic. Men who collect perfumes, who have a fetish for perfumes, knows about this range from Jovan. You know why this is on number 1? Because again, it's a classic. Number 1 and number 2 are very close, as you all know. Number 2 can be number 1, number 1 can be number 2, but we have this on number 1 because this is a classic. It's in the market for a very long time, and if you get your hands on the original version of this Jovan perfume, the Jovan Orange Musk, then just on the right track. I mean, it's really an awesome smell. This has a very musky, floral, musky kind of a smell for men. It's the best men's perfume under rupees 1000. It's a classic, it's musk, it's for men, it is floral musk. So you can understand it has all the right balances. The top notes of this perfume are a hint of spicy with some floral hints also. So it has carnations, it has pepper, it also has lime. So you can understand it is a hint of, it is a mixture of floral and spicy notes. The heart notes are spicy, and lavender has a minty kind of a hint or a tinge of mint on the heart note. The base notes are obviously woody and musky. Obviously this is the musk perfume from Jovan. It's going to have musk in this, so it's woody and musk. Very fresh, lasts for a very long time, provided you have your hands on the original version of this perfume. This perfume has many dupes, many duplicates in the market. So if you have got hold of any of those duplicates, then please don't judge the perfume, because you have the dupe one. The real one, the original one is awesome, and that is really a very popular opinion. This is going to stay on you for a whole day, and even more on winters. So that was my list of men's perfumes under 1K which you can grab your hands on. So do comment below if you have liked my list. Obviously this does not have all the perfumes of the market. This is just a short-listed one which I think are good. I will again make more videos, more such videos of men's perfumes. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and also comment below and like the video. Thank you so much for watching the full video.